Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to the magazine, experts believe we may have evolved to catch other people's yawns as a way of displaying empathy for one another and deepening those social bonds. So it makes sense that further research discovered that yawns are more contagious the closer you are to someone.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Contagious yawning has been linked to empathy. Psychopaths lack empathy for others as a general rule. A study in 2015 found that scoring highly on a checklist for psychopathy was associated with a lower chance of catching yawns. It's not necessarily a determining factor, but it could be a symptom.
Let's help you make your mark.
Heart problems. Excessive yawning can be related to the vagus nerve, which runs from the bottom of the brain down to the heart and stomach. In some cases, excessive yawning may indicate bleeding around the heart or even a heart attack. Other symptoms that may indicate a heart problem include pain in the chest,
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yawning helps with deep relaxation and reduces stress. Studies have found that yawning increases when people are engaged in difficult mental tasks. Yawning helps contract the facial muscles during a yawn, which forces blood through cerebral blood vessels to the brain, which may function to increase alertness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.